Hello YouTube. This is my how to disassemble a Glock 17. First off, when you pick up a firearm, verify that it is not loaded. Using muzzle awareness, I'm pointing the muzzle down in a safe area. No targets present, no targets in front of it. Ejecting clip. Nothing in the clip. Release the slide. Chamber empty, mag well empty. Alright, now that we verified that the gun is not loaded, we'll proceed to the disassemble. Even though there's no bullets in the chamber, no clip in it, we always want to use muzzle awareness. So again, I'm pointing the muzzle down at a safe area. I'm going to pull the trigger. With my right hand, grip the slide, my 4 fingers. My thumb's going to go around the handle. Pull the slide back slightly. You'll hear an audible click, like so. Pull down the 2 release levers. There's 2 on each side for the Glock. Okay. Pull down, slide just comes off like that, leaving the receiver alone. You have the slide, spring comes out like so. I usually take my thumb here, press the spring in a little bit, pops right out, relatively easy. And out comes the barrel. You can assemble it back in reverse order. Barrel. Spring. There are these little grooves here that the spring sets into. This will set comfortably in the second groove in the barrel. Receiver again. There are 2 little rails here that you have to line it up. Line that up as so. Draw back the slide all the way back. Cock all the way back. Ready to rock and roll again. Thanks for watching. If anything I'm doing wrong or terminology's off, this is one of my very few first YouTube videos, so I'm very amateur. So leave comments. I'm open for constructive criticism and likes, and even dislikes if you don't like this, but I would rather have likes. Thanks for watching.